So I found a stack of these sunflower stickers that I printed ages ago because I thought that I ran out. I thought I sold out. But I think I'm going to cut these by hand because this is before I had a silhouette. And restock them for the last time just because I don't use this paper anymore. And I really love this design, but I think it's time to move on. But yeah, these are big stickers and they're essentially line work. I don't know if I have a version of these, but they're, oh, this one's cracked, so I might as well. But they're these, back when I used to do mostly line work. These are line work stickers. And I really like them. It's almost like when you put them on a background, it's almost like it's tattooed on. Hold on. I should be more organized. But yeah, you can kind of see if it was on there, then it's kind of like the line work is directly, if it's on there, the line work is directly on there. But yeah, I don't know where I'm going to stick this now. Stick it back there. But yeah, I think it's time to retire these. I already thought I sold out, but apparently I have a couple sheets left. So we're going to cut these manually by hand and also add them to the shop update. Yeah. I feel like I'm always wearing the same 3 outfits in my videos. I swear I have more than 3 outfits. But for some reason, the days I decide to film are the days that I'm wearing my comfort clothes, I guess. But yeah, I got a super exciting delivery. And I think, I know this is about like a shop update, but I really wanted to share these keychains that I designed. So it's a double-sided keychains, and is it focusing? It is. So these are keychains that I actually designed with my patrons, and we kind of, from the sketch to the iteration and the different styles and colors were all made, were all decisions that were made with my patrons as well. And this is essentially a one-year gift. So we'll have, this is not focusing anyway, but we'll have this rewards cards program that's gonna be new, and it'll backtrack to basically when people started becoming a patron, and if they've been like a Cozy Meal patron for 12 months, they can redeem this. There's also another 6-month like exclusive milestone print that is still a WIP. I already know what it's gonna be, I just haven't drawn it. But yeah, back to, oh look, also there's a void. I will insert a clip because it's not showing, but there's void kind of peeking out of that narcissus. So yeah, back to like shop stuff. So I only got a really small order of a couple new products this time to test out the waters and to kind of order them as a sample. But I've been wanting to make phone groups for so long because I don't have it on this phone yet, but I love phone groups because I think they're great to kind of just like how do you say it in English? Use it to hold up your phone, I guess. It's yeah. And I've been wanting to design them, but I didn't want them to be like the pop socket kind. I wanted them to be like the cute, rounder, plumper acrylic kind. And I finally found a manufacturer that did it, and I have 2 designs. So these are not new designs, but they're loved designs, and I'm going to share them with you. So this is a mushroom ring that I did for Witchy Cafe Scribbles this year. And look at the little mushroom folks. And if you look at the side, it's like a fair thickness, which I think is great. So if you kind of imagine it here, like, oh, look how cute that is. Yeah, I'm obsessed. So this is the first one. And the second one is this Lily of the Valley one. This one was initially created as a design, like a sticker design for Patreon, but I love the design. I think Lily of the Valley is such a cute and delicate kind of flower, and it's a bit magical, and it's kind of like the stars are falling out of it, but I actually really just like the design. I think the shape of it was like great for a phone grip as well, so I made both of these. I didn't make a lot of them, and we'll see how reception goes. If it goes well, we'll make more, but I'm really pleased with them. I kind of want to keep them both. Maybe I'll keep them both. But yeah, so the way that it works is there's a 3M sticker, and you peel it off, put it on the back of your phone case, and it'll be a lot easier to hold your phone from now because phones are big. At least I like my phones big, but yeah. Look at that, that's cute. And if you switch it out for this one, oh, I really like the way this one looks against the black. I can't decide. I'm probably gonna keep both. Put them on 2 different phone cases. But I wanted to test out wooden pins because the order minimum is usually lower than enamel pins, and apparently they're more environmentally friendly. But I wasn't sure how my designs would look on it, so I did a test order, and it's this little Monstera and Friend wood pin. I am not sure how I like it. Like, on one hand, I really do like it. I think the wooden pin has this great like sturdy texture while kind of being in nature, but on the other hand, I don't think that it works great with line art, which is what this piece is. Like, it got all the small details, but the lines themselves aren't as crisp, which I think probably just has to do with like the nature of wood and how ink seeps into it. So I haven't decided if I'm going to sell these. I mean, keeping 10 is weird, but also they're not as perfect as I want them to be. I don't know. If I sell them, they'll probably be at a discount, and then if we make wood pins again, which I want to, they'll probably be more in a color design, but I don't know. I think from afar, they're still very cute if you kind of don't look at them too close, and it has a little heart backing. But yeah, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. You'll probably see it in subtitles, and if I do end up selling it or not. But yeah, and for the first time in like 2 weeks, we had an hour of sun this morning, so I took a couple of product photos. We're gonna edit them, see how they turned out, and hopefully we'll be able to have the shop update next week, or basically by the time that you see this video. The shop update will be live by the time this video goes up. But yeah, that's kind of it. I think for this update, it'll mostly be a restock of the the holographic tarot stickers, and the new cactus stack stickers. And I don't know if I showed this yet, but we also have a bookmark version of the darker ones. So this one is hold on, let me find the version. So these are bookmarks that I created from the sticker stack because someone said that they would look cute as bookmarks, and they do look cute as bookmarks. The colors on these are a lot brighter, a lot more neon, which I really like. I'm working on another bookmark idea. I don't know if we'll finish that in time, but we'll see. And yeah, so we have it's not a huge update, but it's a solid update, and it'll be the first update for 2022, which is always very exciting. Yeah, we still have a couple things that we need to do before then, but I think that's it. Okay, so I accidentally ended up looking at paper samples for the past hour on the internet. And oh, it's done. But basically, I am gonna edit photos, and for the past minute or so, my computer was doing that rainbow circle of death as it struggled to open all the photos that I took this morning, which apparently is over 100. But we're back, and this one isn't exactly in focus, but we're gonna start with picking the photos that we're gonna use for the shop update, and then start editing them. I don't think they really need much editing, because if you look at it, oh, rainbow wheel of death. Rainbow wheel of death. Yeah, so I have a list here of all the things that I still need to do for the update. A lot of it are smaller things, for example, packing materials, double checking to see if I have enough, weighing stuff. These are larger ones, but a lot of them are just small tasks, which I don't know if it's going to be interesting to film, but yeah, we're on track. That's today is currently the 13th. Our update is scheduled for 18th, and we should be on track.